A Toy Unboxers production.
I'm so excited in today's episode of Toy Unboxing because today we have a Toy Kingdom surprise toy. Now let's open the bag. Let's see what's inside. Ooh, it's Crashlings! This is a series 1 of Crashlings, Meteor Mutants from Outer Space. And there are 2 hidden Crashlings inside. The meteors can pop up to 4 feet high. There are more than 150 Crashlings to collect. This playset includes 4 Crashlings, 2 meteors, 2 popping meteors, and 1 crash economy chart. Okay, let's unbox it. So this chart contains the 150 Crashlings that we're going to collect, and also the gameplay, how to play these Crashlings. There are 5 ways to play this. Later we will show you how to play it. This is one of the hidden Crashlings. The red one is the Brachiosaurus, and the blue one is the Rocket Raptor. They are common Crashlings. They are so cute. The blue one and the red one. This is the popping meteor. Oh, there's another Crashling inside. This is a second hidden Crashling. So it says that there are 5 games inside. So let's take a look at the Crashtronomy gameplay. Okay, there are 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So the first one says Meteor Stack. So this is for 2 or more players. You stack 3 meteors on top of each other without them falling over. So whoever stacks first without falling wins. For single players, stack in 30 seconds or less and win. So let's try to stack this on top of each other. The rule says that you should stack 3 meteors. But it's kind of hard to stack. This looks like a fail. I can't stack it. So let's move on to the second game, the Meteor Catch. This is for 1 player. We will use the popping meteor. You pop your meteor in the air and catch it in a cup. So I have a cup here. This is not included in the set. You challenge yourself by starting with a wide rim cup. As you get better, you challenge yourself by using a cup with a smaller rim. So how do we pop this? Using the popping meteor. So press it in the middle and then turn it upside down and then release. There. It's kind of hard because you need to control the popping meteor with one hand and then catch it with another hand. Let's move on to the third game. It is Space Jump. This is for 2 or more players. So each kid places their meteor on the table in the popping position, like this. And then the meteor that pops the highest wins. So all players should pop it at the same time, like that. Now for the fourth game, it is Tic-Tac Crash. This is for 2 players. It's like tic-tac-toe. So each with 5 different meteors play a game of tic-tac-toe. Instead of using X and O's use the meteors to see who wins. But this playset comes with 4 meteors only. And they are all in the same color. We will open the meteor so that each player will have 5 meteors. But this playset comes in 4 meteors only. So we have 4 meteors for each player. And unfortunately, the meteors have the same color. So how do we know which player owns the meteor? See? So it looks like this is not feasible. So let's move on to the 5th game, the Crash and Smash Bowling. 1 or more players. Set your crashlings up on one end of the table in a triangular position and roll your meteor down and crash it into your crashlings. The more you knock down, the better you'll score. 1 point earned for every crashling you knock over. So we have 4 crashlings here. Let's position them in a triangular position. There. So it's like bowling. And let's use our meteor. There. And then we will knock it over. We will roll it and knock the crashlings. There. There. I knocked 3 actually. Okay. It depends on how you want to roll the meteor. Like that. Or like a bowling ball. This playset also includes a crashtronomy chart which shows the different crashlings that you can collect. There are over 150 crashlings: the dino, insect, alien, monster, and sea life.
Excited to watch the latest toy unboxing? Subscribe now. It's free. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up.